Hello everyone, and welcome to today's flow where we are focusing on the hamstrings. So let's begin. So coming to lay back onto the mats, lifting the left knee up, placing the hand behind the leg, and just extend and flex the knee. This just nicely warms up the hamstrings to prepare them for any deeper stretches. And holding, keeping a nice bend in the left knee. And we'll switch sides. So lifting up the right leg, extending and flexing the knee. And holding. And slowly release. And then making your way up. Sitting with both legs out in front of you, we'll pull the left knee in. And then lift up the arms, reach forwards. Keeping a slight bend in the knee. We'll hold it here. Gently release, coming back up. Let's switch sides. Lifting the arms up and reaching forwards. Slowly coming back up, and we'll move into a wide leg forward fold, so placing both legs out to either side of the body, so you can stay up here, or if it's available, walking the hands forward. Just moving at your own pace, not forcing anything. Gently breathe. Walking the hands back up, and then we'll move into a forward fold, so bending the knees and then hugging the arms just behind the thighs, and then walking the feet forwards just until you feel a slight sensation in the back of the legs. You want to keep the spine nice and neutral, keeping that contact with the belly and the thighs, and then if it's available, releasing the arms, seeing if you can touch the toes. Again, keeping a slight bend in the knees. gently release. And coming up to standing, we'll do the same as what we did on the ground, bending the knees, hugging the arms behind the legs, keeping that contact with the belly and the thighs, and just slowly straightening the legs out as far until you feel a slight sensation in the backs of the legs. And thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope to see you again.